What's up, guys? If you need extra protection for your car, truck, boat, or outdoor equipment without building a permanent garage, a good carport can be a smart and affordable solution. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best carports in 2026, from simple open canopies to heavy-duty enclosed shelters with reinforced steel frames, waterproof covers, adjustable heights, and removable sidewalls. We compared frame strength, weather protection, canopy material, size, stability, ease of setup, portability, and overall value to help you find the right option for your space. Whether you need a carport for daily vehicle protection, outdoor storage, a boat, truck, or temporary garage, there's an option here for you. Some of these models include galvanized steel frames, UV-resistant covers, reinforced anchors, roll-up windows, and full 10 by 20 foot coverage, so make sure you watch until number 1 before deciding which one to buy. All product links are included in the description below, so check them out for the latest price and availability. Now, let's jump straight into the top 5 best carports of 2026. Number 5. Quictent 10 by 20 Carport. Starting our list at number 5 is the Quictent 10 by 20 Carport, a heavy-duty outdoor canopy designed for cars, boats, storage, and general shelter use. What stands out most to me is the reinforced galvanized steel frame. It uses 1.5-inch rust-resistant tubing along with 3 high-strength steel cables, which are designed to strengthen the structure and reduce twisting. The canopy material is another strong point. Quictent uses an extra-thick reinforced polyethylene cover that is listed as waterproof, tear-resistant, and UV-resistant, helping protect your vehicle from rain, sun, and everyday outdoor exposure. I also like the generous 10 by 20 foot size, giving you around 200 square feet of covered space. That makes it useful not only as a car shelter, but also for boats, outdoor storage, or temporary event coverage. For long-term ownership, Quictent includes 1 year of coverage for the frame and canopy, while selected smaller parts such as connectors, ropes, and pegs are backed by lifetime replacement support. Pros: heavy-duty galvanized steel frame, 3 reinforced steel support cables, waterproof and UV-resistant PE canopy, large 10 by 20 foot coverage. Useful for vehicles, boats, and outdoor storage. Cons: heavy at around 83.6 pounds. Large structure requires sufficient outdoor setup space. Overall, the Quictent 10 by 20 Carport is the one I'd consider if you want a large, reinforced outdoor shelter that offers more protection than a basic lightweight canopy. If you need covered parking or extra outdoor storage space without building a permanent garage, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Quictent 10 by 20 Carport our number 5 pick for the best carports of 2026. Number 4. Outsunny 10 by 20 Carport. Coming in at number 4 is the Outsunny 10 by 20 Carport, a spacious outdoor canopy designed to protect small and medium-sized vehicles from sun, light rain, wind, and everyday debris. What stands out most to me is the galvanized steel frame. It uses 1.5-inch steel poles with reinforced connectors, giving the structure a more solid feel than many lightweight temporary canopies. I also like the large PE fabric roof. It provides broad coverage for your vehicle while still keeping the sides open, so driving in and out is quick and convenient. For extra stability, Outsunny includes ground stakes, guy ropes, and steel feet with stake points. These help keep the structure more secure and also help maintain the roof tension so rainwater can run off properly. Another advantage is that it's designed for seasonal or temporary use. The structure can be assembled or taken down when needed, which is useful if you don't want a permanent garage or fixed shelter. Pros: galvanized steel frame, large vehicle coverage, ground stakes and guy ropes included. Open design for easy vehicle access. Can be assembled and disassembled for seasonal use. Cons: water resistant rather than fully waterproof. Listing dimensions are slightly smaller than a true 10 by 20 foot footprint. Overall, the Outsunny Carport is the one I'd consider if you want a simple, sturdy outdoor shelter for everyday vehicle protection without building a permanent structure. If you need an affordable covered parking solution for your driveway or yard, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Outsunny 10 by 20 Carport our number 4 pick for the best carports of 2026. Number 3. Quictent 10 by 20 Hanging Edge Carport. Taking the number 3 spot is the Quictent 10 by 20 Hanging Edge Carport, a heavy-duty outdoor shelter designed for vehicles, boats, storage, and general outdoor protection. What stands out most to me is the reinforced roof structure. Extra top support poles are added to help reduce twisting and improve overall stability, which gives this model a more solid setup than a basic open-frame canopy. I also like the galvanized steel construction. The rust-resistant frame and metal corner joints are designed for better durability, making it a practical choice for longer-term outdoor use. The canopy itself uses reinforced polyethylene fabric that is listed as waterproof, tear-resistant, and UV-resistant. That helps protect your vehicle from rain, sun exposure, and outdoor debris while providing about 200 square feet of coverage. Another useful feature is the hanging edge design, which gives the canopy a cleaner finished look around the roofline. Quictent also says installation can be completed by one person, although using two people should make setup easier. Pros: reinforced top support structure, heavy-duty galvanized steel frame, waterproof and UV-resistant PE canopy, full 10 by 20 foot coverage, lifetime replacement support listed for selected small parts. Cons: large canopy still requires proper outdoor space. Two-person assembly will likely be easier than setting it up alone. Overall, the Quictent 10 by 20 hanging edge carport is the one I'd consider if you want a reinforced vehicle shelter with full-size coverage and better structural support for regular outdoor use. If you want a more substantial canopy for protecting a car, boat, or outdoor equipment, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Quictent 10 by 20 hanging edge carport our number 3 pick for the best carports of 2026. Number 2. Advance Outdoor 10 by 20 Carport. Coming in at number 2 is the Advance Outdoor 10 by 20 Carport, a heavy-duty portable shelter designed for cars, boats, outdoor storage, and temporary events. What stands out most to me is the adjustable height system. You get 4 side height settings from 6.5 to 8 feet, with peak heights ranging from 9.5 to 11 feet, so it can work with different vehicles and clearance needs. I also like the triple-layer 180G polyethylene canopy. It's listed as waterproof and UV-resistant, giving you protection from sun, rain, dust, and other outdoor exposure throughout the year. The frame is another strong point. It uses 1.5-inch galvanized steel poles, 8 solid legs, reinforced connectors, 16 steel pegs, and 8 auger anchors, giving the structure a more substantial setup than lighter carport tents. Setup is designed to be straightforward too. The frame is tool-free, and the listing says 2 or more adults can typically assemble it in about half an hour. Pros: for adjustable height settings, heavy-duty galvanized steel frame, waterproof and UV-resistant canopy, large 10 by 20 foot coverage, anchors, pegs, and foot pads included. Cons: heavy at around 110 pounds. Large setup may require more space and effort to move or store. Overall, the Advance Outdoor 10 by 20 Carport is the one I'd consider if you want a strong, adjustable height shelter that can handle different vehicles and outdoor storage needs. If you want more flexibility in height and a heavier duty frame, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Advance Outdoor 10 by 20 Carport our number 2 pick for the best carports of 2026. Number 1. VEVOR 10 by 20 Heavy Duty Carport. Taking the number 1 spot is the VEVOR 10 by 20 Heavy Duty Carport, a fully enclosed portable garage designed for cars, trucks, boats, outdoor equipment, storage, and all-season shelter. What stands out most to me is the removable sidewall and door system. Unlike a basic open canopy, you can use it as a more enclosed garage or remove the panels when you want better airflow and easier access. The structure uses a galvanized steel frame with 12 ropes and 12 stakes for added stability. Combined with the large 10 by 20 foot footprint, it gives you around 200 square feet of covered space for a vehicle or other outdoor equipment. I also like the roll-up windows and zippered front entrance. You can open the windows for ventilation during warmer weather and close the enclosure when you want more protection from outdoor exposure. The double-coated polyethylene canopy is listed as UV-resistant and water-resistant, making it useful for shielding vehicles and stored items from sun and rain throughout the year. Pros: full 10 by 20 feet enclosed shelter, removable sidewalls and zippered door, roll-up windows for ventilation, galvanized steel frame, 12 ropes and 12 stakes included. Cons. Very heavy at around 116.8 pounds. Low 2.9-star customer rating is a major concern compared with the other options. Overall, the VEVOR 10x20 carport is the one I'd consider if you specifically want a large enclosed portable garage with removable walls and flexible ventilation. If the enclosed design matches your needs, check the link below for the latest price, recent customer reviews, and availability before buying. That makes the VEVOR 10x20 heavy-duty carport our #1 pick for the best carports of 2026.